Good morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and today's shave is with Barrister and Mann, Grande Chypre. And I'm not sure I pronounced that properly, but best I can do. And the razor of the day is a premium razor. And this is probably a bucket list razor because it takes a while to get. You have to get it on the waiting list just to buy it, and the waiting list is like 6 months long just for the opportunity to buy this. This is the Wolfman razor. This is the WR2 with a something or other 7 handle. That basically a bishop style handle, which is my personal favorite to use. So that's what the products of the day are. So yes, I've already taken my 1 scoop out. It's in the bowl now, so you can see that. The scent on this, very spring summery. It caught my eye on the list because I was looking for a spring summery type scents. This one's fresh. It's got florals. It's got citrus in it. Yes, it's a tallow base. It's Barrister, so yes, it's definitely a tallow based soap, which is, yeah, I know I enjoy that. But yes, so this has got some nice scents to it. There's a laundry list. When you look at the ingredients in this thing, it's got some good stuff in this. So yes, highly recommend Barrister and Mann soaps. I've already put a little sprinkle, just a sprinkle. You can barely see it. It's not even a quarter teaspoon. It's at the bottom there. You can barely see it. Just to moisten the top of the soap that I already smushed into my Polish pottery bowl there, porcelain bowl there. So in the bowl, the brush here is in the sink. You pull that out, give it a couple of shakes. I'll show it to you. Shake, shake. No insignias on this. This is a Maggards put together. So basically, you buy the brush, you buy the knot in separate pieces, and and the glue. They send it to you as a kit, and you kind of glue it in place yourself. If you want some spacers in there, whatever. I didn't put any spacers in. And it's plenty soft and squishy enough for me with just a little bit of backbone. So yeah, liking that. But let's get started. So of course we're gonna swirl it up 250 times because that's what I always show you, 250. So let's start. Oh yeah, that smells nice coming off of there. That's 50. First 50, it's just starting to think about being lather, so another 50. Okay, it's 100 in, and see it's coming up, rising up the bowl now. So yeah, so it's starting to build. It's just starting to build lather here. Knock that down, reverse directions, and keep going. Okay, that's 150 in. Still pretty moist, but yeah, it's building. See, it's building more. You didn't see me add any more water because when I shake the brush twice instead of 3 times, or I used to do 2 shakes and a squeeze. I don't do the squeeze anymore. It leaves a little more water in the brush that way, so I tend not to have to add as much. So let's keep going here. Okay, that's 200 in. Now I'm going to down off the sides. See, it's getting peaky here, but of course I'm going to go 50 more. There we go. Plenty of soap in there. Plenty peaky. I just want to moisten my face. Yes, I took a shower here. It's Sunday morning. Yeah, I fooled you because I'm not wearing the usual t-shirt that I wear, the full t-shirt on Sundays, because I'm going to wear an open collar today. So yes, I'm not going to wear a tie today. So it's heat index is 100. We got a heat warning out today again. And last Sunday was very warm wearing a jacket and tie and all that. So yeah, we're just going to wear open collar today. Oh, the scent. Scent profile, scent strength rather on this, it's more like a 6. It's up there. You can really smell it. I mean, I was smelling it wafting out the bowl and putting it on the face here. It's got some strength to it. It's fresh. It's nice. It's different. It's not like something you smell on somebody else. This is definitely more of a unique scent. The florals really help mellow out the citrusy stuff, and I think there's some sandalwood in there so too. There's a little bit of woodsy, but just a little bit to help really tone down some of the sweetness. But nice. Really like this. This is something different. I like this. And I'm glad I got the matching aftershave that we'll do afterwards. So yeah, which of course goes in the giveaway. So starting pass 1 with the grain. Smooth, nice. This razor is always a smooth razor. Oh, I didn't look at the blade. Yeah, we maybe look at that later, or I'll put it down. You'll see it in the write-up what brand of blade I've got in this, because I truthfully don't remember what I put in here. But it's doing the job well. This is shave number 4 for the week for me on this razor blade combination. So that is the 4th use of this blade, which is about as much as I go nowadays. I used to be able to get 6 or 7 shaves out, but with a thicker gray whiskers, they seem to be just a little more tough. It seems to not make the blades last so long. Pass 2 is across the grain. And of course, it's got this nice grippiness right here. And it is substantial grippiness. It's not just there for looks. It actually, it's got some nice grippiness to it for that knurling. Not too sharp. It's not feeling prickly like it's going to hurt or anything, no. But enough that, yeah, grabbing it's real easy. And of course, the way that flares out, you'll see in pass 3, it's no issue holding on to that for the up pass there. So pass 2, though, is across the grain. You can tell I'm barely hanging on to this thing, because I don't need to press down or anything. It's way of the razor. This is a nice hefty razor. Billet steel. Stainless steel there. I think it's 3. I can't remember if it's 316, and I think it is, but I don't hold me to that part. It's been a while, a couple of years since I've been on the website to check out what it's made of. And yes, this is a very expensive razor. And the top 2 expensive razors that I own, this is $400 American. It's made in Canada. I think it was $450 Canadian dollars before, about 400 or 300, high 300s American dollars when I went to buy it a few years back. So yeah, it's pricey. It is pricey. Sucker is smooth though. It's nice. It's a nice shave, nice heft, gorgeous to look at. It is just a beautiful razor. And yes, you see me use on my last shave was my $5 razor. So it's the variety there. And yes, I like both razors. Now, I'm retiring soon. I'm retiring in like less than 2 weeks, just shy of 2 weeks. I'm retiring. So yeah, there's no more $400 razors in my future, really. That'll stop. Stop abruptly with my pay scale. That's I'm going on Social Security here. And what's that mean for the channel? The channel is going to change. We'll talk about that more in the future, but my channel has to change because I am not monetized. I've got 1,100 subscribers, but I am not monetized. It's whatever numbers that YouTube does. I'm not qualified for monetization yet. So that means that buying the samples is going to have to come to an end. Yes, I did buy some more samples. They're sitting over here. I haven't done a video showing you my unboxing for that yet. They're just sitting right here, literally on the counter. I have to do that, but it's probably my last box of samples that I'm buying, so it'll be my last giveaway for shave soap samples. That'll come to an end. So some things will change. I will have occasional shave videos probably in the future, but there's probably going to be more other stuff as I retired and basically what this retired guy is going to be up to. I got some stuff to do around the house to get this ready to sell, because yes, we will be moving in another year. So life is going to be changing for me and the missus quite substantially here in the next year. So my goal is to have you guys along for the ride and you see what's going on that way. But shaves, yeah, I'll probably try to do like at least one a month, but it won't be with some new sample because I just won't be able to do that. Never got to that point of monetization. Wait a minute, what am I doing? I'm putting on a 4th coat. I don't need that. We just did the third pass. Let me just get this off of here. There we go. I'm rambling and not paying attention, sorry. Well, let me pause and wash up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. And actually, I just splashed on 2 splashes of cold water on my face here, so we go straight to getting the alum. So let me reach for that. There we go, my alum stick. Get that wet. There we go. Little sting right there. Okay, little sting right there. And it's usually down bottom along the line, where it ends. Okay, it's enough. Put that aside. Now I'm going to give a couple of splashes, kind of rinse that off too. Minimal stinging today, minimal. If I get my black ones out, then it'll be a little more stinging. But all right, that's all washed, rinsed off. Let's get this dampened face dry. There we go. All right, aftershave, of course, I already told you the matching aftershave. Both of these, of course, go in my next giveaway. I've got one more soap in this previous batch I bought. Then I got the box here with another batch of soaps and aftershave. So there we go. Nice. Oh. Now, the aftershave, first putting it on, smells a little different than the soap, a little bit. It's the alcohol, obviously. It's gotta dissipate. Okay, that's dissipating. I'm getting more of the floralness and less of the citrus in the aftershave. So it's like that white fly. So it's not. It is nice. It's very nice. But it's slightly different to me. Yes, slightly different than the scent of the soap. Very nice, very nice. Yes, I would pay money and buy this. Oh, which we did. I don't think we talked about this. This is $24.95 or thereabouts. Maggards website. And of course I never look at the price of the full size aftershave, whatever. But the soap is that. It does have tallow in it. Very nice. And of course, being a Barrister and Mann soap, it's one of my favorites. It feels good. It had a nice shave, just nice, smooth, comfortable, close shave. Very pleased with the outcome here. And I hope you learned something today. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And with that, go with God.